Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Are you alright? Why? Why did you put that in your nose? Why? Why? Snow, 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 Felicia. Let it go. What?
Wait.
Jesus. Nice cock.
Read Pliers.
Oh. What the frick? What's up, wrong? He's got pliers on his nose. I'm not gonna squeeze it. Squeeze. You look like.
That's one ugly laugh.
What the? What? How did you
Don't
fit
curse,
that in there?
8-year-old.
How do you fit it in there?
How do you fit it in? God. How do you fit it in there? I love how he says that.
Does that not hurt? That hurts. Then why are you doing it? Why?
Does that hurt? Then why are you doing it? Oh, he's about to pop a cap at you, man. Better watch out.
Okay, I
Does
just
that hurt?
say that dude was wearing a diaper.
Does that hurt?
That dude was wearing an adult diaper.
Does that hurt?
It does. Then why are you
Then
doing
why
it?
would you do it? I know it's you, Jason.
I hope you die of that.
Oh, TGF sticker. Whoa.
Childish.
Are you on crack? Oh man.
What did he just ask? God. Wait a minute, we saw that guy before. The one just before this one. We saw him before.
Hey.
Oh god, this is legit a family. Leave Tom. Leave Tom.
What is this kid doing? Are you okay? Oh, I think he needs out.
Yes. Are you okay? I love you.
And then there's a person. Kid thinks he's like hot and cool. Are you mental? Uh-oh.
Damn, bro.
Gotta shut my mother's curtains because if I don't, she's gonna whoop my ass. Oh, hello, sir.
Je sais pas, il fasse quoi votre bouffe? Hey.
You look so beautiful. Yum, babe.
Hey, bro, I have a question.
That guy just lost his shit.
Hi. How are you? What's he got? Are you okay? You're not okay? You need help?
He has a big nose but a small face. And a fat gay nigga.
Yes.
Hi, you're beautiful.
Ele vai virar o septo em casa. Sozinho.
Let's sing. What music do you like to sing?
Leave. Just leave.
What TikTok? Watching. Listen up. What's on your nose, Jane?
Fucking cigarette and the game controller. Oh, is the same kid?
Again? Wait, you're the same guy? What? You're the same guy? That was in my Zoom. Wait, you're the same guy. What, bro?
Nice to meet you again.
Bro, you're the same guy. And how do you have that thing on your nose?
Okay, I just hang it.
You just put it on your nose. You put the wires on your nose,
Yes.
okay? And then you was on the camera, and then you was too close on the camera.
Yes.
Yeah, you was
Please
too
tell me you got OBS still running.
Cause this is why you just too close to the camera.
Yep.
Please tell me
And
you
why
got
you
OBS still
too close
running,
to the
Tyler.
camera?
For fun.
Please tell me you still got OBS
Cause
running.
there is the same guy that was in my call.
Yes.
You just ruined it. You just ruined my call. Why would you ruin it? Why? Why would you do that? Why? Tell me why.
Alright, I think that's gonna do it for today.